Hey guys, as you probably already noticed, we have some pretty cool changes to the GeoGrid rank tracker, and I'd like to talk about those now. So the first most obvious one is probably going to be how we optimize the gradient, the color gradients. So, essentially the 1 through 3, you're in the 3 pack, it's green, and then as you fall out of the 3 pack and decline in rankings, it becomes, yellow and orange hue, and then red in the worst case scenario. So, we wanted to fine tune that a bit and optimize it so the color was a bit more impactful where, before it was just a little bit off. One of my favorite features, well, here's a few of my favorite features actually. Now when you actually click on one of these nodes, it's going to pull up this modal where you can actually see the competitors and what's ranking. And that's cool. And it also breaks the map up a bit, as you can tell. And, it allows you to kind of analyze potential clusters and, all kinds of other cool stuff. However, one of the most interesting things that we've done, now that, we talked a lot about using this tool, this GeoGrid rank tracker, to identify spam listings, where obviously, we're not going to find an excess of spam listings in the pizza delivery space. I mean, at least not that I know of. But, usually if you have good coverage and there's, you can see this 20 right here, you might say, hey, what's the issue? And you click in, and now we actually have a reporting feature right inside of here. So before I show you how that works, in case you guys have specific Google Guide accounts you use for reporting or whatnot, you can actually add those accounts right in where you would typically add a Google account, and you can use those to report from. And to be honest, you can use any account that's synced with your Local Viking platform. Okay, so it's as simple as clicking, obviously I'm not going to report any of these, but clicking into the report, the little flag, and you can select your account that you want to report with, and then you can select your bad location option, your bad recommendation reason, and you can even leave a note and click submit. So you can do all of your spam identification and reporting right from your GeoGrid rank tracker inside of your Local Viking dashboard. Again, this, we're hoping this is used for productive purposes. Please don't rotate through all of your Google accounts that's synced with Local Viking and report it with, 100 different guide accounts. That would be unfortunate. I mean, I guess unless it's an actual spam listing. Let's just be responsible with this. Let's try not to mass report legitimate listings or use it for any black hat purposes. And other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the feature. I think it's really cool. This is one of my favorite we've dropped thus far. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.